Introducing the Easyfit Awnings from Greenhurst. Turn your patio or decking area into extra living space and enjoy the great outdoors whatever the weather. You and your family can enjoy protection from the hot sun or light showers with a Greenhurst awning. No more changing your plans because of the weather. From breakfast to supper, the perfect setting for eating and entertaining. There is a choice of colours, a choice of sizes, and they're manufactured from hard-wearing 100% polyester fabric, which is easy to maintain and clean. Curtains, furniture and floor coverings can be bleached when exposed to prolonged direct sunlight. The Greenhurst awning will protect your valuable furnishings from the damaging effects of fading. Installation couldn't be easier. No special DIY skills are needed, and your awning can be fitted in around 30 minutes. Start by unpacking your Greenhurst awning. The pack will consist of the awning, the detachable winding handle, fixing and installation instructions. Drill the required holes into the wall and insert the expansion bolts using the hammer. Attach the wall mounting brackets and secure with the supplied washers and nuts. Take the awning and insert it into the mounting brackets. Secure the awning in place with the supplied nuts and bolts, and you're almost finished. Simply attach the winding handle, and away you go. Operation is made very simple. Winding the handle will extend the awning to the required length. Winding in the opposite direction will retract the awning at the end of the day. You can easily adjust the pitch of the awning by adjusting these bolts on either side. At the end of the season, you can easily remove your awning for safe storage in a garage or garden shed. Quick and easy. This will ultimately prolong the life of your awning. Enjoy the outdoors, whatever the weather. Easyfit Awnings from Greenhurst. An easy and cost-effective solution for any home.